Why does no one talk about smart mirrors? If you're new here, my name is Lorenzo, and today is Tuesday, which means it's Tech Tuesday. And I like to talk about smart home upgrades you may want to consider when remodeling your home. Now, of course, this bathroom isn't finished, but an unfinished space is really the perfect opportunity to include new tech in your home. Smart mirrors, maybe you've seen them in a hotel, but they're really a great upgrade to any bathroom for a couple of reasons. With smart mirrors and smart lighting, you can change the tone of the lighting to suit your bathroom or even the time of day. You can dim the lights or create whatever ambiance you want, but really it just elevates the whole quality of your bathroom. Another reason people like smart mirrors is because of Bluetooth connectivity. You're able to play your favorite song while getting ready in the morning, and depending on which model you get, you can even display the time, the weather, and the date. Some even can show videos, such as YouTube videos. Smart mirrors have an anti-fog function. If you're tired of fogging up the mirror and having to wipe it down, some of these smart mirrors have a built-in anti-fog function that allows you to get rid of the annoying fog with just the press of a button. So it makes your mornings much nicer. They not only elevate your bathroom, but smart mirrors make getting ready in the morning a breeze. So if you're ready to remodel your bathroom, give us a call. We'll see you at your house.